Hey, so if you run a small business or do freelancing, yeah, creating invoices in Google Sheets is one of the simplest ways to get paid professionally. In this guide, I'll show you how to create invoices in Google Sheets step by step in 2026. First, open Google Sheets and start a blank spreadsheet. At the top, add your business name, logo, and the word invoice in bold. Include invoice number, date, and payment due date. Now add your client's name, address, email, and contact details. Create a table with columns like description, quantity, price, and total. Use formulas to automatically calculate subtotal, tax, and final total. Include tax percentages or discount values if needed. Use borders, colors, and alignment to make the invoice look clean and professional. Save your invoice as a template so you can reuse it for future clients. You can download the invoice as PDF or share the sheet directly with your client. And yeah, that's it. That's how you create invoices in Google Sheets and get paid more professionally in 2026.